Brian back here with a look at Bitcoin. We're going to take a look at a few things, see how high this thing could possibly go this run. This is Bitcoin on a 6-month chart. Let's see something pretty interesting. I thought it was pretty interesting anyway. That's the top. You could take that as the top of wave 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Got 5 waves there, right? Go out in a 6 month. Stretch it back to a 3 month chart. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you got 5 waves inside of that. You have 5 waves inside of this here too. I thought it was pretty interesting anyway. But anyway, we're going to take a look and see how high Bitcoin could possibly go here this run. One thing we definitely want to take a look at, right? But a few people talking about, super cycle or, a big run back up after a big pullback here. One thing I want to show you here, Dow Jones, all right? As long as it can hold, let's go out here on a monthly. Let's go on a 3 month. Right? I mean, this thing has been parabolic for a while, right? It's up past a 4.236 extension on the fib. Looks like it's probably working on a 5th wave up here. 3-month RSI has bearish divergence. You got lower highs on the RSI here. If we go on the monthly itself, what do we got? We don't have higher highs here, right? This was the highest high on the RSI, and the lower high. Then actually looks like a slightly lower high here, doesn't it? Just slightly, yes. So you got some bearish divergence on the Dow Jones. If this is, you can see 5 waves in here. If you use Elliott waves, which they're pretty accurate, right? Still has maybe a little bit more up to 50. Okay, you got that really stretching out. You got the S&P and the NASDAQ. Let's take a look at the NASDAQ here. See where we're at with it. All right, it's getting pretty stretched out itself. Look at this. All right, this is on a 1-month chart. Right, pretty straight up, right? Still above the 200 moving average, where you want to be. If you're going to 3 months, 3 month is absolutely parabolic, right? Straight up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you got your 5 waves here, and looks like it possibly it could be getting pretty stretched, right? I mean, the government, obviously, Trump likes to push the market up, no doubt about it. But boy, how much higher can it go, right? That's the NASDAQ. You got the S&P 500 next, and you got the Nikkei. It's at 47.9. Wow, look at it on a 3 month. Absolutely. It's up through a 1618 there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can count 5 waves on it. That's on a 3 month chart. The S&P 500. Just showing you these to give you an idea, where we're at. It's working on a 5th wave. 1, 2, 3, 4. Working on a 5 here. Might get up to close to 7. It's at what? 67 now. Might have another push left in it. I'm showing you these because it looks like Bitcoin could be getting towards its top. It could be it could be about there. We have Bitcoin dominance about ready to roll over for this alt season. This is a 3 month chart here. You can see it lost. On the 3 month, it's still holding the 200, but if you come in on a monthly, all right, it's lost the 200-day moving average. It lost this massive support that it's had for 3 years. This is Bitcoin dominance, right? You're gonna have your alt season right through here, right here. This big drop. It started now. I mean, it broke this massive wedge. Possibly looking for a pullback up to about 60.5, and then see you later. Gone. Roll over. Massive alt season coming. All right, but Bitcoin, I think Bitcoin might probably has one more push, and it could be it. Could be the last hurrah for it. Up towards 134, 135. Okay, right inside here. This is a 1 week chart. I said on my last video, if it broke 117.8, it's heading up here. It lost 107.5. It was doing an ABC. Well, it ended up breaking to the upside. All right, what you're going to get inside here is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right, you're going to get 5 waves to the upside. Okay, now after that 5th wave, it could be the end, right? This is a 1 week chart. You got the RSI, bearish, making lower highs, looking like it's ready to roll over. All right, that's on the 1 week. The monthly, bearish divergence, getting pretty high. Okay, and your daily, rolling over here. You can clearly see the 5 waves now, right? I mean, that's they're pretty clear on the daily chart. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right. Now, in a bigger picture, I think that this could also be going on, right? It could be doing this, and heading up into the 130s. This could be going on right here. This could be a 1, 2. This could all be a wave 3, 4, 5. Right, up into, I don't know, between 135 and 140, possibly. It could do that, right? The big story is going to be told up here. If it just does regular ABC, then pulls back and then shoots back up, or it starts a huge ABC, and Altseason starts taking off massively. Regardless, right? Altseason is here. Last time, in 2021, right? It was about January we started it. Let's go back. It's 2024. Let's go over 2021. August. Okay, we started our Altseason right about, and this should have been the top, right? There's February of 2021. Our Altseason was right through here, June, July, and this should have been the top. It ran up and did one more top, but all the technicals point to this being the top over here. All right, and that's when our Altseason really took off, was when Bitcoin was correcting, all right, down through here, and that's what we're going to be looking for once this thing tops. It's ABC, probably about 90 days, Altseason, running into December, probably the end and beginning of January, maybe taking a massive fall, right? That's probably what we're looking at. So keep your eye on this. You got Bitcoin dominance ready to roll over. You got Bitcoin doing a 5th wave up here, probably towards, let's take a look. All right, the measured move here. For this 5th wave inside here. Let's get this off here real quick. Please hit that like and subscribe. Come sign up for a level 3 membership. We had a lot of, Rizzy hit a 10x pancake swap. We posted that trade last night. Nailed it. I hit about a 4x. I wasn't sure it was going to hit our target or not, but it ended up hitting it and running up big time. But it's $15 to join. We have 150 some members. You get 10 hours of videos also to watch and teach you how to start charting like this. So this is the time to trade, guys, if you're going to leverage trade. Not financial advice, that's for sure, but I'm looking for this push here up to about 129, right in that area. The deeper it pulls, the higher your target, but if it stops here and starts heading back up about 129.5, now, then we'll see if that's the end or not. That ABC starts back up, then we have another wave to go. All right. Thank you so much, guys. I appreciate you watching my video more than you know. Please hit that like and subscribe. Would love to have you back. I'll talk to you soon.